Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Narzo 10, and today we are going to check how the face unlock works on the smartphone. So we are going to make a few tries to see how fast it works and if it works every time. So let's try. The first one, I will check if I'm sitting in a good position. And as you can see, yes I do, because it unlocks the phone. So let's start. So as you can see, it works very fast. I can even say that it works faster than in REALME Narzo 20A, because we also test this smartphone. So yeah, it's definitely fast, it's reliable, it works every time, as you can see. I can even say that it works at the same speed as this fingerprint sensor on the back. Yeah, very good speed of the face unlock test. And that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.